Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or not. And quite frankly, I don't.
This guy walked in smug like a DUI was just a slap on the wrist. Show up, say a quick my bad, and bounce, right? But then the judge hit him with a curveball. Are you even in this country legally? That's when everything unraveled. No license, no valid immigration status. Just a mess of bad choices finally catching up. He didn't realize how deep he was until the judge started tossing around words like deportation and jail time. So, now the real question are, the courts cracking down fairly on undocumented immigrants? Or is this crossing a line? Drop your take below and let's break this down together.
Are you Arnaldo Bernabe Larios Tayun?
Yes, sir.
Order in the court, please.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
Can I put you slow down just a tad?
Yes,
please.
of course.
Order in the court.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas, with the driver asleep at the wheel. Upon arrival, officers located defendant's motor vehicle and observed defendant to be the sole occupant of the vehicle. Upon contact with the defendant, officers observed red, glossy eyes, slurred speech, and an odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from the defendant's person, along with poor balance. The defendant admitted to drinking, and an inventory of the vehicle yielded several open, cold to the touch beer cans.
Drinking while driving?
Most of which were mostly empty. SFSTs were conducted. 6 out of 6 HGN plus vertical gaze nystagmus, and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand. The defendant failed to perform the walk and turn because he failed to follow instructions. DICs were read but refused, and a warrant was signed and executed. He has no driver's license, judge, and no prior criminal history.
I would hope that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun. Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
No.
Not allowed to drive. What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
No.
No.
Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
What happens if you go to jail?
I don't know, I believe they'll return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit in jail waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration. But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you and your bond. And if you violate it in any way, then you will go to jail. The reason you got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond. It will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to, then I'm going to make your bond extremely high.
You can feel the mood shift the moment the judge brings up immigration. Jail, this guy could handle that. But it's what comes after that really rattles him. Still, he doesn't seem to get it. No license, open containers in the car, and no legal status, and somehow he thought he'd just get a warning. The judge laid it out plain and simple. No driving, no drinking, no second chances. But let's be real, it didn't seem to sink in. He's nodding like he gets it. But behind those eyes, he's already planning a workaround. And when he slips up a Gandhi, he's not just facing time, he's facing deportation. And you already know he'll act surprised like nobody warned him.
This is a promise that you're going to make to me today, that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. So if you drive 3 times, I will have 3 contempt hearings. You are also not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. And let me be frank with you. If they charge you with the open container, that is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I'm going to tell you, if you do anything more than 4 hours in custody, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody with an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive? I'm not done yet. After that, you will get to Ramona where you will sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions. This is the only warning that you will get from us, Mr. Tayoun. So, take it. If not, you will spend a lot of time with us. When you come back, please have a lawyer, sir. Now you may go.
Now here comes the second guy, walking in like he's at the DMV, not a courtroom. No urgency, no remorse, just coasting through like it's routine paperwork. But this isn't forms and signatures to its potential jail time. And with that, blood alcohol level? He's lucky he didn't kill someone. 5 empty bottles in the car. 1 still sealed, like he crushed a 6-pack before even starting the engine. But none of it seems to register. The judge mentions immigration hold, and you can see it blank stare. No reaction. All they hear is blah blah blah. Don't do it again. Then months later, when they're sitting in IC custody, they swear nobody warned them.
Okay, Luis Armando Hernandez Ramos,
Yes, I am.
charged with driving while intoxicated. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On November 9th, 2024, officer conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle at approximately 10:47 p.m. after observing it weave between 2 lanes and fail to signal lane changes. Upon contact with the defendant's vehicle, the officer observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage, red glassy eyes, slow speech, unsteady balance, and a glazed over look. The defendant had inconsistent statements and trouble with the timeline of the evening. The defendant admitted to drinking beer in his truck prior to driving. Standard field sobriety level.
Did he have alcohol in the car while he's driving?
Your Honor, yes, and towards the end of the statement. So, officer conducted standard field sobriety test, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, and 1 leg stand 3 out of 4. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce.
Corona, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Oh, pardon.
Go a little bit slower, huh?
Yes, Judge. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle, with 1 ounce of fluid in the bottle, and 1 empty 24-ounce Modelo.
Drinking while driving?
DIC was read, and defendant consented to correct. The results were .174 and .173.
Mr. Hernandez Ramos, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
Ciudadano de Estados Unidos.
Presidente.
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or
Yo
not.
no sé si lo
And
es
quite
o no.
frankly, I don't care.
Francamente, a mí
This is the moment reality hits. The judge isn't offering advice, he's laying down the law. No driving, no drinking. Not try your best. One slip, that's 6 months in jail, no debate. You mess up once, you're stuck. Twice, you're buried. This isn't guidance, it's a trap for anyone thinking they're slick enough to dodge the rules. Because one of these guys will get back behind the wheel. And when they do, it won't just be contempt, it'll be immigration holds endless. Court dates and jail time with no exit plan. All because they thought they could beat the system. Again.
But one thing I want you to understand is if there is any problem with your immigration paperwork whatsoever, and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in jail until this case is over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. I hope that you would recognize it's damn elementary for you not to have alcohol in the car while you are driving. You now, I am barring you from driving whatsoever. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. If I find that you drive in violation of this affidavit, I can have a hearing to hold you in contempt, slap you with up to 180 days every time you drive. Do you understand?
Yes.
You cannot give any justification at all for getting into a car and driving, and there will be a very hefty toll. I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I will randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs or unprescribed controlled medication, likewise, you will go to jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. And like I said, any issues with your immigration whatsoever, you will be with me for a long time.
Por largo tiempo. Okay.
I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will have you sign a receipt with Victoria. I will also have you sign your bond conditions with Felicia. We will get you out of here because you need a lawyer to represent you, and we will give you time to go hire a lawyer. When you come back, hire a lawyer. If you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Yo entonces voy a dar una orden de arresto.
This is the part that always stings. They think they're walking out lucky like they beat the system, but the next mistake. It's jail, then immigration, then gone. And every time, they act shocked. Like the 5 warnings never happened. But I want to hear from you, are the courts doing enough here? Or are these cases just on repeat because no one's taking illegal immigration seriously? Drop your thoughts below. And yeah, guys, new courtroom videos every single day. Appreciate you watching.